Welcome to the How to Use Media in the Elementor Editor tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to use media from your media library for your website. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. What types of widgets will use media? And 2. Inserting media into a widget. Topic 1. What types of widgets will use media? Image, video, and gallery are all types of widgets that will use media. Some widgets, like an intersection, can use media as a background. The Advanced Settings tab allows you to insert media as a background to many different widgets. Topic 2. Inserting media into a widget. Select the page that you'd like to edit the media on. While in the editor, drag and drop a widget such as an image or video onto your page. Select Choose Image, and either select from the media library or click on the Upload Files tab to import media. Once the media is selected, click the Insert Media button and your media will appear on the selected widget. You can now fine-tune the widget settings and style to your liking. Go through the Content tab, Style tab, and Advanced tab to style to how you'd like it. You've now learned how to use media in the editor.